Today, we're going to explore what coding is and why it's so exciting. Coding is like giving instructions to a computer to make it do what you want. Just like you follow a recipe to bake a cake, computers need clear steps to follow. Learning to code helps you think logically and solve problems creatively. It's not just for future programmers, coding is becoming an essential skill in many fields. With coding, you can create games, animations, websites, and even apps. Imagine designing your own video game or building a cool website about your favorite hobby. There are many fun and kid-friendly programming languages to start with. Scratch is a great option that uses colorful blocks to help you learn the basics of coding. You can drag and drop these blocks to create stories and games without writing complex code. Another fun tool is Code.org, where you can play games while learning coding concepts. As you get more comfortable, you can explore languages like Python or JavaScript. These languages allow you to create more advanced projects and bring your ideas to life. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process and help you improve your skills. So gather your curiosity and creativity, and let's dive into the world of coding. The possibilities are endless when you learn how to code.